This is the brief on Roe v. Wade, 1973. So this landmark case all started with Jane Roe, a young woman in Texas who was facing laws that prevented her from getting a safe legal abortion. Her fight went all the way to the Supreme Court, and their decision basically redrew the map for reproductive rights in America. It was all about one big question. When can the government step in on such a personal decision? Okay, let's break down the three big takeaways. First, the court said that the Constitution gives us all a fundamental right to privacy. And, they decided that this right is broad enough to cover the deeply personal choice of whether or not to end a pregnancy. But, and this is a big but, that right wasn't absolute. So second, the court created what's called the trimester framework to balance everything. In the first trimester, the decision was left to the woman. In the second, states could step in with some regulations to protect maternal health. And the third trimester, after viability, the point a fetus could survive outside the womb, that's when states could regulate or even ban abortion, unless the mother's life or health was at risk. And finally, because of all this, the court struck down the Texas abortion laws as unconstitutional. They were just too broad. This set a nationwide rule. States could not ban a woman's right to an abortion before that point of viability. This really became the bedrock of reproductive rights law for nearly 50 years. So the bottom line is that Roe v. Wade established that the choice to end a pregnancy before viability was a constitutionally protected right that belonged to the individual, not the government.